example, and adding a drop of water and feeling the texture of the soil by rubbing it with feet. Sandy soils are going to feel really gritty. Clay soils are going to feel very smooth and primary textures in the soil: sand, silt, and clay. Now, so far, does anybody have any questions before we get started?
Yeah, Mr. Bitter, I have a question.
Katie, what's your question?
How do I determine the texture of a soil?
That's a great question. Thank you so much for asking. You can easily determine the texture of a soil by taking a small amount of soil and a little bit of water and rubbing it between your two fingers. If it feels super gritty, it's a sandy soil. But if it feels super...
During direct instruction, you should answer your teacher's questions, actively listen and participate, and make sure your microphone is always off. And this is an example of when you actually have your microphone on.
Also, during direct instructions, you should be keeping your camera on and asking questions.
For our cellular respiration lab today, lab 3.1, we're going to break out into our 6 lab groups. You'll need to leave this team meeting and join your group channel meeting. Please do that now.
Now I need to leave the team meeting so I can go to my breakout groups. So I'm in the general chat for the team, and then I'm obviously in group 1, so I go to group 1, and then I hit the join group. You need to have your camera and your microphone on so you guys can communicate. And I'm in the call with everybody that's in my group.
Oh, thanks for joining us, Braden.
No problem.
Good independent learners stay in the team meeting with cameras on and microphones off.
Good independent learners ask questions.
Yes, Mr. Bittner, I have a question.
Okay, Tian, what's your question?
What page were we supposed to be on?
So we're working on page 34 through 36 today. Thank you for asking.
Good learners check messages often, ignore distractions, and stay focused.
In order for your teams to work properly, you will need to be in the app version. Currently, the student is in the online version. You can tell that because it has the Teams icon up here and the web address up there as well. In order to download the app version, you need to first click on your face and then click Download the Desktop app. On the bottom left of your screen, you will see a download. Wait for that to download. Once it's done downloading, then you'll be able to type in the search bar at the bottom left of your screen, Teams. The app should pop up. Once you click on it, it should bring up your Teams app. To make sure that you are in the Teams app, you will look at the bottom of your screen, and on your taskbar, it should have the Teams icon. Make sure to click right on the Teams icon and pin that to your taskbar so you can always have that to use it when you're in a Teams meeting.